Did you know that selling coins can actually generate a significant amount of money? In this video, we're taking an educational look at how much money we were able to make during the early days of our journey into the world of coin collecting and coin selling. We'll share our real experience, what we learned along the way, and some of the surprises we encountered when we started buying and selling old coins. If you're interested in this topic, take just 2 seconds to join our community by subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to leave a comment with the words "coin to go." That way, we'll know you're part of the community and interested in learning more about coin collecting and coin selling. The first thing we need to remember is that not all coins have the same value. In many cases, instead of selling a coin right away, we decided to trade it with other collectors. By doing that, and after 3 or 4 successful trades, we were often able to increase the value of the original coin significantly. Only after reaching that point did it make sense to put those coins up for sale. Now, you may be wondering why we didn't just sell them from the beginning. The answer involves one of the most important aspects of the coin collecting world: reputation. When you trade fairly and consistently with other collectors, people begin to recognize your name. They learn that you are trustworthy, that your descriptions are accurate, and that you are serious about the hobby. Over time, that reputation can open doors to better trades, better opportunities, and access to collectors who own more valuable coins. In many cases, building relationships within the collecting community can be just as valuable as the coins themselves. Knowing the real value of your coins, and doing so honestly, is absolutely essential. One of the biggest mistakes new collectors make is listening to alarmist claims or following people who promote unrealistic ideas just to gain views, followers, or attention. Before listing any coin for sale, take the time to verify the information. Research the coin, compare recent sales, and make sure you understand its actual market value. This step can save you a lot of frustration and help you make better decisions. Many sellers try to ask extremely high prices, hoping that an inexperienced buyer will eventually come along and pay far more than the coin is actually worth. The problem is that this approach often has the opposite effect. When collectors repeatedly see unrealistic prices, they begin to lose trust in the seller. Over time, they may completely ignore future listings, even when those listings contain genuinely interesting coins. In the world of coin collecting, credibility is one of your most valuable assets. A realistic seller will usually earn more respect, build stronger relationships, and achieve better long-term results than someone who constantly overprices their coins. So, how much did we actually make during our first 6 months selling old coins? About 30% of our sales came from coins we had already owned for years. Those direct sales generated roughly $3,000. Surprisingly, our biggest source of sales came from coin trades. Around 50% of our revenue, approximately $5,000, was the result of trading coins with other collectors and then selling the pieces we received in return. The remaining 20%, close to $2,000 in sales, came from coins that we purchased from other people and later resold. Looking back, one of our biggest mistakes was investing too much money too quickly. Because we were inexperienced, we spent nearly $12,000 in order to generate only about $2,000 in profit. At first, that may sound like a decent return. However, there is something important to remember. Some coins can sit in a collection for months or even years before finding the right buyer. That is why it is usually better to focus on coins that have a proven and active market, especially when you are just starting out. And most importantly, never invest money that you need for your daily expenses, your bills, or your family's financial security. Like any business, coin collecting and coin dealing involve risk. The world of old coins is fascinating and rewarding, but only when you avoid making emotional or rushed purchases. If you have questions about the current value of your coins, leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. Coin to go, your trusted channel for coin collecting and coin selling. Thank you for spending a few minutes with us today. We truly appreciate your time and your support. Don't forget to check out our other videos, where you'll find more tips, real examples, and useful information about coin collecting and coin selling. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love to have you as part of our community.